timer that's supposed to oscillate a lot faster than it currently is. And this is the downfall of a breadboard, because this is supposed to be oscillating at basically 800 kilohertz. And I got a little tiny capacitor there. I've changed it several times, and I have a potentiometer. And so this is oscillating very quickly to the point where I can't really count it with my old frequency counter. So I have it as frequency divided by 8,000. And this number is supposed to be 100 reading on the frequency counter, but I got 3940. So, which is basically 40 times 8,000. It's going at a frequency of 320 kilohertz. What's funny is when I removed the capacitor completely from the circuit, if I can remove the capacitor completely from the circuit, there it goes. There's the capacitor. And yeah, it's still oscillating at exactly the same frequency. And you can definitely tell it's oscillating. The frame rate is not doing this justice, but so I would say that the capacitance of the breadboard is approximately 1 nanofarad, which for detailed work is very challenging. So anyway, I'm gonna have to put this on a perf board to get away from the capacitance, the stray capacitance problem.